In this lecture, we discuss about some of the spatial filter that are the linear filters. So linear filters are further divided into the two categories: smoothing spatial filter and the sharpening. So in the previous lectures, we already discussed about what is the spatial filtering, how it works. So we done what is the image enhancement. For the image enhancement, we use the spatial filtering and the frequency filtering. Spatial filtering, we already done the concept. What is this? Some of the spatial linear operators are we already discussed, that are the convolution and the correlation. And now we are discussing the further techniques of the spatial filter, that are the smoothing and the sharpening. So smoothing are also known as the low pass filter, which may have the further types: averaging linear filter and order static non-linear filters. And the second one is the sharpening. So दोनों sharpening की एग्जाम्पल क्या है? लैपलेस. sharpening को हम हाई पास फिल्टर्स भी बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ द स्मूथनिंग? स्मूथनिंग में हम क्या करते हैं? इट इज़ यूज फॉर ब्लरनिंग and for the noise reduction. What is the blurring? Which is used in the pre-processing steps to remove the small details from an image that is prior to the object extraction and the bridge the small gaps in the lines or the curve. So second one is the noise reduction, that can be accomplished by blurring with a linear filter and also by non-linear filter. So the elements of the mask must be positive. The sum of the mask element is 1 after the normalization. So if we have any image, we apply the mask over it to reduce the blurriness and the noise reduction. So linear and the non-linear filter both are used for the noise reduction smoothing. And after this we get the image whose the sum is 1, the sum of mask element is 1. So this is the example of the smoothing filter. We have the input image, and here we have the smooth image. We have the two smoothing filter that are averaging and the order static. Averaging means if we have given any image, we have to multiply that image into the total values of that image. For example, we have the image of size 3 into 3. Total size is 9. So we divide each gray level with 9. If we have द वैल्यूज़, ग्रे लेवल वैल्यूज़ को ऐड करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर अगर 1 1 1 वैल्यूज़ थी तो 1 1 वैल्यू 3 into 3 कर देंगे तो उससे निकाल सकते हैं. अदर वे इज़ टू ऐड द each intensity value, each gray level value. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 4, 5 6, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So divide by 16. So 3 into 3 is smoothing averaging filter mask. The constant multiplier in front of each mask is equal to 1 and divided by the sum of the value of its coefficient as is required to compute an average. So जितनी values होंगी हम उससे क्या कर देंगे? Divide कर देंगे. So this is the example. For the averaging pixel, we have the original image of size 500 into 500 pixel. So after applying the mask of size M3, the image look like this. Now the mask size of value is M equals to 5. Now we have the mask size is M equals to 9, M equal to 15. जितना ज़्यादा वैल्यू हम मास्क की करते जाएंगे उतनी ज़्यादा हमारे पास इमेज क्या होती जाएगी? स्मूथ इमेज बनती जाएगी. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. ये एग्जाम्पल किसकी है? अगर हमारे पास अगर स्पेस में कोई भी पिक्चर्स हम नासा में या कोई भी साइंस प्रोजेक्ट है, वो सैटेलाइट के थ्रू जो है इमेज को कैप्चर करता है और जो भी गैलेक्सी में इमेजेस होती है, तो वो इमेजेस जो है वो काफ़ी दूर से ली गई होती हैं. तो काफ़ी दूर की इमेजेस को ब्राइटन करने के लिए हम स्मूथनिंग को अप्लाई करते हैं कि हमें ईच एंड एवरी कंपोनेंट जो है, ईच एंड एवरी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो क्लियरली मेंशन हो जाए, जहाँ हम हमारी जो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें चाहिए वो गेट करने के लिए हम स्मूथली अप्लाई करते हैं बाय अप्लाइंग द filtering of mask. So second one is the order static nonlinear filter. What is the order static non